joins. Joins are very common. You don't need a training at all for this, right? This is very simple one. Joins are pretty straightforward. So what is a left inner join? This one already we discussed in Power BI, right? So during the Power Query Editor, we discussed about this. Anyhow, I just go here and see if the query is there, or I will leave it to you guys to practice that one, the inner join, everything. 1 second. It is not there. Let me go and check. But anyhow, I will just show you with the example so that you should be knowing it. Okay, I just show you with this example. Okay, we have the 1 second. I'll just put here. I'll just try one. Okay, in the interest of time, we will jump in. Okay, the rest of them are same. Okay, select it's e dot m okay, from employee table. Sorry, employee table. I just mentioned it. E dot employee number, and what else? Okay, D dot D name, department name, and then E dot salary. From, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use inner join. Inner join, which means the join the two table based on a common column. So here, what is the second table? I'm going to use depart table. Depart D on. Whenever you wanted to query the columns from more than one table, you need to join the two tables based on the common column. Here the common column is E dot depart number is equal to D dot depart number. Okay. I just press F5. Yes, these are the common columns. So overall, we have 15 columns are there. Rows were there. And here, all the department numbers that were there in the department table are having corresponding records in my employee table. Hence, it shows 15 records here. Okay. So this is what your inner join. You can replace the inner join by left join and right join, and you can use full join, full outer join. Okay. And those are the things you can give it a try, since we have already seen this one as part of our Power BI Power Query Editor, right? So next one is the left anti-join. How to perform left anti-join. So I just take this one. I just replace this by left join. That is what your left outer join. Okay. Department D on this one, where D dot depart number is null. This is what this is equivalent to your left anti-join. Okay. Left anti-join. I explained what is left anti-join, right? So as part of Power Query Editor, what is left anti-join? Can someone tell me? Very good. Super fast response. So in this case, you need to replace this one by right join. And here what we will have to do is E dot department ID. The same query, only thing is the join type is changing. So depart number is null. This is your right anti-join. Okay. left anti-join, right anti-join, and you try the full outer join, and try only the left join. So here, if you exclude this one, this is your left out join. And if you exclude the last line here, that is your right outer join. Full outer join, you need to full join. That's all, guys. So these are the four types of self join and Cartesian join. So Cartesian join, if you don't specify any condition here, so the common column, if you don't specify anything between them, if I don't specify anything here, simply if I say left join, so it will do something like, okay, I will do one thing, comma here. I can specify this way also. Here, ideally, I should use where clause. No, see, there are two ways, right? You can use inner join or you can use where clause. Okay, where e dot depart number equal to. So that is the one is your ANSI SQL, and this is how we need to write it. Okay, this is the one we use it. We can use it in either way. So now what happened? There is a Cartesian join exists between, right? Exists between these two. What is Cartesian join? I already explained you as per the Power Query editor. What is Cartesian join? Let's say, you have something like you have table A and B. Table A, you have just two values are there, whereas table B, you have four records are there. For each value in your table A will be matched with each values in your table B. Okay, so what, 2 into 4, 16 records will be produced. That is what your Cartesian join. Let's say you have table 1 as, sorry, you have table 1 as 1 comma 2, and this is table 1. And table 2, you have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is there, okay? So the 1 and 1 will get mapped, and 1 and 2 will get mapped, 1 and 3 will get joined, this one will get joined. And 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3 and 2. So 8 records, 2 into 4, 8 records will get, selected, which is not the required one. That is what your Cartesian join. So next one is self-join. What is a self-join? Self-join is, as the name suggests, joining the same table itself is called your self-join. Okay, that is called as self-join. And one second. Okay, self-join. So self-join is, the regular join, but the table is joined with itself. That is called your self-join. Okay. And in this case, yeah, so what I will do is select store from employee. You have both the employee number, manager column, have the employee number itself, right? So here it's 7369. And let's say you have another column here, another value, 7499. You'll find the 7499 here also somewhere, okay? And for example, 7839, can you see that 7839 is there here? And you have the 7839 is also there here, right? You have 7839. So that means for King, for the employee King, here you don't see anything, right? For the employee King, there is no manager null. That means, he is the president. He is not reporting to any guy. Whereas for Jones, the manager is King, 7839. So in the same table itself, they have mentioned the employee numbers. The same employee numbers mentioned here also, but this is your, this is, named as MG or manager column, whereas this one is this one is, named as employee number. So with this, you can find out 7839 is the employee number for the King, and who is the president, and he is not reporting to any, any other person, and he is the topmost guy. And now we will go and check 7839 is there elsewhere in the manager column. Yes, it is there here. So look here, the 7839 is also there here. 78. That means, right, these three guys. Who else? 7839 Jones, Blake, and Clark. These three guys are reporting to King. In this case, the two key columns are available in the same table. If somebody is asking you, can you please give me the please display the employee name and their corresponding manager name. How can you do that? So you can use, in that kind of situation, you don't have to join with any other table because, the same table has these two information in it. Okay. I just, one second. Here, employee number D name. And for example, here I just say E1 dot. One second here, somebody is calling. Yeah, E1 dot MGR, which is nothing but reporting manager. Okay, from employee and from employee. And what I am going to do is I'm going to do the inner join. Okay, inner join employee, same table. I call this as a E1. E1 is the alias. Okay, and on I say E1 dot depart number. Okay, E1 dot depart number. What else we can give here? And is equivalent to E dot E2 dot depart ID. Sorry. Here E dot depart number. Okay, depart number. Where, okay, I just remove the D dot D name. It is not required. I just say D dot sorry, here I just say E dot emp number is not equal to E1 dot emp on emp number. This is the logic. We will see if this logic works. Sorry, not depart number here. Here, sorry, I mistakenly given here. Here, you need to specify the employee number, okay, not the depart number, because I thought of fetching the employee, yeah, emp number, department name also. I thought of displaying it along with this. Incorrect syntax near KK from employee. Here you don't, so whenever you use inner join, you don't have to specify comma here. Okay, that's the reason it was throwing an error. Employee number, manager salary, emp number, not equal to emp number. So what's wrong here? So here, so let me see how many of you can tell. So how do you find out here? What is the problem here in this logic? We have seen so many queries, right, in the previous session, right? So how do we, what logic we can use it? Hmm? Let me see how many of you can write. Write the query, you will see, how many of you can write it. Yes. Is that correct? Preeti, is that correct? Shraddha, you are correct. Your query is correct. What is wrong here? Okay, here I just say equal sign. So what is going to happen now? Instead of inner join, I just say left join and employee E1 and we will see what is happening. Yeah, so here E1 dot, listen, I just say E name, okay? E name as manager. So 7369 for him, 1 second, select star from employee. So yeah, Smith, for him, who is the manager? 7902. 7902, where it is there? 7902. Yeah, Ford, right? Ford is the manager for 7369. Okay. And here, let's do one thing. E dot E name, comma, E1 dot name. Smith, Allen, and Martin. Okay, your query is correct, Shraddha. How about others? How many of you agree with me? So here, I just remove the employee number. Okay, we don't need it here. And I just say E dot E name as employee name and yeah, it's little bit confused here, right? So I just remove the salary also. We will just simplify this process from employee left join employee. I just say E1. Okay. On E dot. Here what I do is E dot MGR, right? That is your MGR, not the employee number, right? And E1 dot emp number, correct? Yeah, this one is not required here. I just say this as employee name. Yes, Shraddha, you are correct. Okay, manager name. Same table, but we are using different alias here. Now it is coming out clearly, right? So the employee table, I used it in, in the from class. And then the same table, employee table, I use it to do the, left join. Okay, left join with this table. And here, in the employee table, we have two columns, employee number and manager. I just show you one more time. Employee number 7369. The manager column also it also has the employee numbers, okay? But this employee number in the manager column, it tells us who is the manager for this guy. So 7902 is the manager for Smith. So who is 7902? You need to scroll down and see here. The Ford is the manager for, instead of Ford here, they've given the employee ID. Okay, this guy 7369 employee ID is reporting to 7902 employee ID. Who is 7902? If you scroll down and see, you can Ford, right? That is what we have done it here. We have done the left join. Okay. So you can, rewrite the same query in different way. Give it a try. Okay. So now we could see that the Smith, the Ford and Alan Blake. We'll go and check it here. For Smith, 7902 is 7902 Ford, right? And Allen 7698 Blake. It's correct. Our query is producing this correct output. This is called your self join. sometimes the joining columns are available in the same table. So in that case, you don't have to join multiple tables. But even you see since you have the joining columns are available in the same column itself, you are using the same table with different alias, right? In this, with this alias, you are displaying the employee name. With this alias name, you are displaying the same employee name, but that one you are just checking it here. So e dot mgr here, is equivalent to e1 dot emp number. So in that case, whatever the employee number, along with that the corresponding manager, right? It displays the corresponding employee name. This is called your manager name. Okay, this is called a self join. So Cartesian join, it produces the every possible combination of values between two tables. That is what your Cartesian join. It is really expensive. Make sure that you are using join condition. Mistakenly also don't use the don't use without join clause. Okay. So far we explored inner join and left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. I told you to give it a try because already I have explained you self join. We have seen it. What is Cartesian join also we have seen it. Okay.